You can see that now I've added the cues that children will type in the left-hand cells over here on the right. If you need to know how to center the text and give it color and change the font, then there is another tutorial on that. But in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make the color in these blocks disappear to reveal the polar bear picture behind it. In order to do that, we need to use a command known as conditional formatting. To get to that, we're going to go to the Format tool, and you'll see here that there is a function called conditional formatting. Before we do that, we need to click inside the cell that we want to format. Go back to that command. Click on conditional formatting. I have to move the window so you can see it. And you'll see now that it says the condition, the cell value is, that comes up by default, and we want it equal to, and in this particular cell we want it to equal white, and so we'll type in white. But now we have to tell it to erase the color, and in order to do that we have to click on the Format button. Again, let me move the window. And we're not going to change the font or the border, but we are going to change the pattern, and the pattern we want to be no color. And the no color will erase the blue and reveal the part of the polar bear picture. We'll hit OK and hit OK again, and let's just test it out. We'll type in the word white without an E, and if we hit enter you'll see that nothing changes. However, if a child correctly types in the word white and hits enter, you'll see here that part of the polar bear picture is revealed. Now I'm going to continue doing that with all the rest of the cells. Just to show you one more time, I'll click in the cell that I want to format, go to Format, Conditional Formatting. I will go to the cell is equal to, and that cell will be equal to nose. Oops, nose. Again, go to Format, no color, hit OK, and OK, and if I type in nose, you'll see here that it correctly reveals the picture behind. Now, in order to make the color come back, the background color, to cover up the picture, we'll just go to the cell, hit delete, and you'll notice that nothing appears. Now it's all gone again. In the last step, I'm going to show you a process by which the students will only be able to select and change these particular cells, because as it stands they can select and change these, which might mess up the game for other children playing the game.